Today, I'm going to show you how to enable direct messages on Instagram. Whether you're new to the app or just want to make sure your DMs are set up, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings. In the settings menu, tap on privacy. This is where you can manage your messaging options. Scroll down to check or manage the messages section. If you cannot find it, simply search for messages. Here, make sure to select the option that works the best for you, such as allowing DMs from followers or everyone. And that's it, you've successfully enabled direct messages on Instagram.